Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to cover the topic New Year, New Me, New Year, New Goals. So are you ready to set some home ownership goals for the new year? Cover some things that you need to do, some steps that you gotta follow to get this goal set for you for the new year. Stay tuned, coming up now. So one of the most common rituals for the new year is the habit of setting goals. Everybody says either I want to lose weight, I want to be financially free, I want to scale up my business, I want to get a promotion, I want to make more money, I want to. So often these goals resolve around like personal improvement or finding ways to have or make a better life in the coming year. For those who have been renting, now is the perfect time to set a goal for achieving home ownership in 2022. After a difficult year, we all been there, we all been through it. Here are some of the steps you can take to achieve that goal in the new year. Coming up now. Stay to the end of the video because I'll be sharing calculators and mortgage loan calculators that will help you determine how much down payment you need and how your monthly payments will look like. So stay to the end. Okay, so step one is set the goal. Okay, this one might seem a little obvious, but simply have the goal. Set it, preferably in writing, so you're a little more committed. So a goal is not a goal if it's not written down. It's often the first step to achieve home ownership. Just have the goal. Step number two. Step number two is set your finances in order. The hardest part about owning a home is making sure that your financial life is in order. Okay, some of the most important steps you can take to help put in a position to get a good mortgage loan and get approved at a good rate is paying down or paying off debt. Okay, putting money away in a savings account, putting down payment money away, whatever you're comfortable with, putting some money away weekly, putting some money away monthly. So paying all of your current bills on time and keeping your credit score high. The higher your credit score, the better rate you get. Remember that. And then avoiding taking unnecessary new debt. Have it a goal. Make a budgeting plan. Have a goal not getting more debt or including more debt, such as new credit cards or a new car loan. Avoid those. Create a budgeting plan to keep your spending on track and your home ownership goals in reach. That's step number two. Okay guys, step number three. Understand what you can afford to borrow. One of the most important things. Before you apply for a mortgage or start shopping for a new house, figure out how much you can afford to borrow based on how much you want to pay each month. Set yourself a budget and look what you're comfortable in paying monthly. You can use an online mortgage calculator to figure that out and either put in the price of the house to see the monthly payments or put in a specific monthly payment to see what size of loan would you have to pay. So when setting your house payment budget, don't forget that your monthly payments will include property taxes and homeowners insurance in addition to the principal and interest on each loan. Keep that in mind. So this is actually one of the most important steps you have to do. Step number 4. Talk to a mortgage lender about available loans. Okay, another important step toward owning a home is figure out what type of home loan will you get and what suits you the best. There are several options available depending on your income, your credit score, where you live, and whether you qualify for things like a VA loan. So those are the things that play a factor. Knowing your options can help you pinpoint how much money you need for a down payment and what credit score you need to get approved for that type of loan. If owning a home is on your wish list for 2022, make it more of a reality by setting specific goals this new year to get there. Like, talk to your lender, find out more about home loans available in your area. Find a good realtor that's going to help you actually get there and make the whole transition into from renting a home into a new house to make it as smooth as possible. So guys, that's it. Like I said, it's a super easy thing. I just wanted to make a quick video about it because a lot of people said, Daria, 2022 is going to be my year. I want to own a house. I don't want to rent no more. Rents are skyrocketing. I'm paying so much money for rent. I'd rather own. So I thought I'm going to make a quick video about steps that you need to do to actually make this happen for next year. So, like I said, just to sum it up, set the goal, get your finances in order, understand what you can afford, and talk to a lender. And boom, there you go. Once you have like a nice budgeting plan and have money you can put to the side, then let's make this happen for next year, guys. Get you in your dream home. I'll put my information in the description below if you have any more other questions. I work with amazing lenders. I work with different credit repair specialists that can help you out. So if you found value in this video, things you want me to talk about in my next video, feel free to comment. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It will help me break the algorithm of YouTube and rank my videos a little higher. I love any support. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. See you next week. Thank you.